Okay, tuone how to create university or college teaching timetable management information system kwa kutumia Python programming language, Django, HTML pamoja na Bootstrap. Our application ina two sides. Ya kwanza ni student side, ya pili ni administration side. Kwenye student side, a student select a current program, current semester and year of start. Then ata click search weekly teaching timetable. Now, suppose I select program, I click, then I pick a particular program, for example, this program. Then I pick a semester, current semester is semester number 1. Then I select year of start, for example, year 1. After then I click search. Now good. You can see this is a weekly timetable from Monday to Friday. Okay. So we have a day, session type, course name, course code, instructor, venue, time start, time end, and course description. So now you can see this is a weekly timetable of selected course. A select course is Master of Science in Digital Instruction Design from Department of Information Systems. Okay, and from Monday to Friday, na hii ni date range from Monday to Friday in current year. Good. Now you can see hii ni day. Wednesday total courses ni 2, okay. Ambo session type for his total courses ni lab session. Okay. And course name ni hapa. The first course and this is the second course. And this is course code, instructor. This is the venue, then time to start a session and time to end a session. And this is a course description. So this course code ambao ni hii hapa is journalism and public relation. And this course ambao ni hii hapa, okay, is political science and public administration. So inatoa description of a particular day. So Wednesday tuna 2 courses ambazo ni hizi hapa, okay, and descriptions zake ni hizi kwamba hizo ni courses zipi. Okay, the same to Thursday. Session type is presentation, okay, it's course name and course code, instructor, this is the venue, time start and time end, and this is a course description. Okay, the same Tuesday and Monday, Friday, the same. Okay, now for example I pick another program, for example this program, then I pick a semester and I select year of study, then I click search. Now you can see here we just pick weekly timetable. Now you can see weekly timetable of selected courses, bachelor degree in accountants, and the department now is economics from Monday to Friday, and this is a date range in current year. So this is a student part, student panel. Now check administration panel. So I click on dashboard. Good. On dashboard I have I think 6 models or 6 schemas: course names, department, instructor, timetable mains, timetables and venues. Kwenye hii administration is Django administration, is the admin site as well. Kwenye hii admin site you just register your courses, your department, you assign instructor, scheduling time of each course and so on and so on. Then student ataenda kuziona kule kwenye timetable. When I click course names, good. So hii ni list of courses. Now click hapa add a new course. So hapa to add a new course. This is department. I have 2 departments. Click hapo na add a new department. This is the default Django user model ambayo tume just extend. Instructor are employees. Unaona hapa kuna hizi information za instructor ambao watakuwa na appear kwenye ile timetable. Okay, so click add a new instructor. Hapo naweza nika add a new instructor, then I can edit instructor, na hizi ni just information. Hii ni personal information, department information, and I click department, permissions, naweza ka assign permissions and so on. This is a timetable main, where hapa naweza add a list of timetables for certificate, diploma, bachelor degree, masters and so on. Okay, and course also. Now you can see I have program and year of study, semester and department. Kwenye department naweza just ku edit a particular department, I click hii drop down arrow. Okay, au naweza nika click hii hapa change a department. Okay, and hii hapa timetable, hapa ndo kuna register a timetable. Okay, so hii ni list of timetables ambazo hizi hapa. Ni click kwenye hii timetables, let's open it. Okay, now good, ambapo ndo hapa nitakuja kuselect timetable ambazo zinakuwa added hapa kwenye administration. So I have day, course name, venue, time start, time end and program. Okay, and registered date. Venue can be lecture room 1, lecture room 2, lab or auditorium. And course name is in the list of courses, and I can pick here, for example, Kiswahili, literature, linguistics, economics, geography, and so many. Okay, here's in the day from Monday to Friday, and here's in just a list of courses, of programs. When you click add a new timetable system, naweza add timetable, nitapick a course. Okay, after picking course, then select instructor, available instructor for the system. I pick a venue. Okay, then time start. Okay, and time end of session. Then the day from Monday to Friday, and particular program, and I pick a program, and session type, tutorial, lecture, lab, discussion or presentation. After then I click save, and click save. Hii timetable itaenda kuwa added hapa, ambapo student panel atakuja kupick a particular course. For example, ana pick this course, atapick semester in year of start, then ata click search, na hii itakuwa ni timetable of selected what parameters ambazo zilikopo hapa. Okay, so kwenye hiyo timetable unabonyeza hapo, unaona kuna session 3 tu katika wiki. Sessions zipo 3 katika wiki, una Wednesday, Tuesday pamoja na Monday. Now good, hiyo ni upande wa timetables. On venues, hapa je kwa add venue. For example, current venue, lecture room 2, 1, lab 1 and auditorium. Hapa nita click add new venue, ta add new venue. Okay, or kwenye timetables hapo ni click add timetables hapa katika where is venue, hii hapo. Then naweza nika click hapa add venue, then nika add venue hapa. Okay, now good. Nikiklik link imeandikwa support, now click support. No support kuna this is a disclaimer, privacy policy and application ownership ambao unaweza kaedit. Okay, now good. So timetable is a template, sio admin panel. As ukiona hapa address hii hapa ni address ambayo ni normal template hii hapa. When I click dashboard, this is admin. Check the address, now you can see is admin site. So what we do ni kwamba una extend admin base HTML kwenye hii timetable ili kuweza kupata hizi hapa material design. Kupata hizi material design tuna extend admin base.html. Okay, no good. And I think nimeelezea kila kitu. Hii ni groups. Kama unataka kutengeneza group na kuadd permissions kwa users, unaweza kutengeneza group and so on. Unaweza kutengeneza group, for example group name is demo, and permissions you can add permission or can select all permissions, then una click save. Then after adding permission, unakuja katika instructor, una pick particular instructor, for example this one, then unamwassign kwenye group. Unakuja kwenye permissions huyu hapa, then our group is demo, what we create. Then I choose demo, na click hii hapo, then demo tutakuja huku, then na click save. Good. Now Alice ana full privilege. Okay, nikimclick then nikiclick get permission, now you can see permissions anaweza kufanya vile vyote, au anaweza kuselect hapa staff and super user, then click save. So now Alice is super user, anaweza kufanya chochote kwenye system. Okay, now hizo ni privileges and permissions. This is a timetable MIS. MIS is Management Information Systems. What is Management Information System? Inafanya kazi ya ku manage information ambazo zipo kwenye organization. Used technologies is Python programming language, Bootstrap, Django, and Jazzmin and HTML. Python is programming language, Bootstrap is for CSS and styling, and Django is high-level Python framework, web framework. Jazzmin is the open source theme for our Python project, and HTML is just kutengeneza content. This is the content layer. Our project is 90% back-end programming. Our project is 90% back-end programming. So now how to implement? So navigate wherever within your desktop. For example, mimi navigate kwenye documents directory. Wherever, just right click and click new and create a new folder to start a new project. Then click that, and after creating a folder, now rename it. Rename your folder na kulipa any name. Okay, so after creating a new directory, I think current node. Okay, now good. So name it project. Okay, then double click to open kwa ajili ya ku start a new Django project. Okay, I think my computer is slow. Okay, let's wait a moment. My computer is too slow. Okay, a project has been created. So double click our directory. After then, come to directory address bar. This is the address bar. So highlight and delete kilichoko pale. Then just write cmd to shortcut of opening Visual Studio Code. Write cmd ili kufungua command prompt. Then click enter. So here write code, then leave space dot / just a shortcut for opening Visual Studio Code. Then click enter. A Visual Studio Code itafunguka. As you see, Visual Studio Code imefunguka. Okay, now good. Now here start a new Django project. So just write Django, then leave space. Sorry, after writing Django, then hyphen, then admin, then leave space, then start. Okay, and project, and then leave space. Can be any name. So he is in user defined. So our project name is project. Click enter to execute. Okay, so Django project has been created. Nikija hapa katika directory ya project, niko open project. Now you can see project imekuwa created, and manage.py ni file ambayo lina responsible na ku manage project such as model migrations and running a project, running a server, and so on. Manage.py. After doing so, now we just shift to our project kwa kutumia command prompt. So now cd is change the directory to our project, then click enter. Okay, now Python, just like Python, then space, then manage.py is a file, then start a new application. Hapa to start a new project. Here tuna start a new application. As I said, kwamba Django ni web framework ambayo hasa ni kwa ajili ya big projects. big applications. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu within a single project unaweza kuwa na number of applications. Okay, then you just write start up. Okay, start up, then you leave space, then app name can be any name, naandika app. Okay, then you click enter to execute. Good. So our app has been created. Good. Now another step is to run server at the first time. Just run server, then Python, then leave space, then manage.py, then run server. Also run server, it run server kwenye local host, then click it. Now you can see server ina run kwenye 127.0.0.1. This is the port number, and hii ni local IP address, loopback IP address. Now just copy this IP address. After copying, open your browser. This is my browser. Kuja hapa, then paste kwenye address bar. Sio hapa, no, kwenye address bar. Just select and paste. Just click enter. Good. The install worked successful. Congratulations. This is Django message and is default. Okay. Now, what is another step? Another step now. Suppose I run hii server kwenye local IP address. Now hii kurun kwenye computer IP address. Unaweza kairani kwa kutumia computer IP address ambayo ni IP address ambayo kwenye network. Unaweza karun. Na hiyo ndio environment ya production. So now katika production environment unatumia IP address. Let's show you. Then just write ipconfig. Hii ni my computer IP address. That's IP version 4 address ambayo hii hapa. Let's select. Okay. Now again, naweza nikairun the same command. Django Python manage.py run server, then space, then I paste the IP address, then colon, then port number. Okay, good. Then click it. So our server sasa now ina run kwenye hii hapa. So this is a production environment. So user wote kwenye the same network ata access server kutumia IP address. Wakija katika hii hapa, now ni refresh my page, unaona no longer kwa available, ipatikani. Kwa lazima ni ile IP address ambayo ni hii. Then hapa shika hii IP address, just write port number. But unaweza kukutana na errors. Hapo. Just check current ina run. Okay. Unaweza kukutana na errors kwa sababu hatuja allow all host. Okay. That is not case. Hiyo kuonyesha tu namna ambayo unaweza kuirani kwa kutumia network hiyo hapo ambayo kwenye networking IP address. Now stop it. Good. Ukitaka kuirani hiyo, manake hapa kwenye hii Visual Studio Code nita open my project. Nita open project, nita open settings.py. Then nita navigate allow the host hapo kwenye hii line. Then nitaweka quotation, nitaweka just star or asterisk. Asterisk maana kwamba any host anaweza ka access hii system. Nikija hapa kwenye hii hapo, just niki stop the server and run again, then run your IP address. Now good, ina run. So nikija hapa niki refresh, now inafanya kazi ambayo ni IP address yetu ambayo ni hii hapa. Now anyone within the same network anaweza ka access system yetu na hiyo production environment. Kama utaki ku run kwenye production environment, now you can run kwenye local IP address. Unaandika tu python manage.py run server, then click enter. So it run server in katika hii hapa local IP address, na copy it. Now nikija ku refresh it sitaipata tena kwa sababu sasa hivi nimerun kwa kutumia local IP address ambayo ni hii. Now ni click nikirun na unafanya kazi. So another step is to perform migrations. As you see message you have okay, kuna hizi hapa migrations hazijakuwa applied. Okay, so now current server na run, then stopisha, then just write Python manage.py migrate. Okay, migrate, just migrate, then click enter. So itafanya migration kwenye default database. A default database of Django is SQLite until you change. SQLite hii hapa inakuwa created. Okay, and ukija katika settings, nikija hapa kwenye default, now you can see default database is SQLite 3. Okay, na migration hii hapa imeshakuwa, of course imekuwa created hii hapa. After running migration, now create a super user, then Python manage.py create super user, Python manage.py. Now here let's write create super user. Okay, now click enter. Now super user also create or leave blank to use super user. Then super user, for example, my name Samir, then click enter. Email address empty, click enter. Password just 1, repeat again, password 1. Okay, my password is too short, too weak, no problem, yes. Now super user created is successful. Okay, now let's run our project. Python manage.py run saver, then click enter. Good. Now ile message imesaidia ionekane. Okay, to our project hapa kwenye hii address na add /, just write admin, then click enter to execute. Now in Django administration, username and password, then click login. Now you can see this is the default theme of Django, default theme. Now you can see we have groups and users, ipo peke yangu, first name, last name, and so on. Yes. Okay, now we need to create, we need to install Jazzmin theme. A Jazzmin theme is material design. This is a sample demo. This is the Jazzmin theme. Jazzmin theme ukiangalia ni hii hapa. Is good. Okay, to install Jazzmin theme, now go to Jazzmin documentation. So we hapa katika search engine naandika just Django Jazzmin and click enter. Jazzmin theme is Django oriented. Click this link, first link, Django Jazzmin docs documentation. Very good. Now ukasoma hizi hapa, just the screenshots and so on and so on. So now click installation. Now this is a command where you have to install Jazzmin. People install -u Django Jazzmin. So -u is very important here, -u. Okay, here. So just copy it. Okay, come to command prompt, desktop start button, write cmd, kufungua command prompt, then here paste people install space and -u Django Jazzmin, then click enter to install. Click enter to install. Anyway, safe requirements zinakuwa satisfied kwa sababu nilisha install tayari. Requirements satisfied, nilishafanya installation. Okay, after creating Django Jazzmin, now another step is to register Jazzmin application in installed apps kwenye settings.py. Now copy it. Good, copy it. Now open our project, then on settings find installed apps. Okay, before Django contribute admin hapa on the top. So next add quotation, click Django Jazzmin. Sorry, quotation ilisha copy. Okay, yeah, paste it here hapo Jazzmin. Save changes. Now come to refresh and output hapa kwenye our project. This is our project. This is the default Django administration. Now to add Jazzmin theme. Now refresh. Good. Now you can see this is material design, users and so on and so on. Another step is settings and configurations. Katika hii hapo nakuja hapa katika configurations kwenye docs, Jazzmin docs, then hii hapa ni full example. Okay, so now copy Jazzmin settings, copy it hadi hapo. After copy, now come to settings.py, navigate mwisho kabisa mwa file. Okay, so hapa just control V shortcut of testing. Okay, so we need to make some changes kwenye hii file. Okay, unaweza ka change site title, so remove this one, then just write Timetable ANywhere is management information system, copy it, then remove this one and remove this one. Okay, this is then another step is to come here, short sidebar is true, and okay, related mode active, yes, so now leave false. Show user interface builder, so change it to true. Okay, change it to true, and language chooser is changed to false. Make sure you change language chooser to false, otherwise it will run error. Save changes, Control S shortcut to save changes. Now refresh our site. I think this one, yes, our site, refresh it. Now you can see kuna some changes hapa zimefanyika. Unaona hiyo, ukiangalia now settings inaonekana kidogo imechange. Now tuna click hii hapa, customize our user interface. Okay, now you choose fixed navigation bar and fixed sidebar, I think, and footer, fixed footer, ili zisiwe zinatembea. So unaona sasa zimestack. Okay, zimestack top navigation ili kuifanya kwa fixed and side navigation and footer kwa fixed. After doing so, ukija hapa una change navigation hii hapo ya juu, choose desired color. Unaweza choose hii, for example this color, and choose ancient color hii hapo. Now unaweza choose sidebar variants, choose hii hapo. Hiyo ni kwa ajili ya light, ni kwa ajili ya dark, kwa namna hii. Okay. Okay, after doing so, nachofuata ni ku choose brand logo. Choose brand logo. Hii inaweza kuwa ni brand logo kwa ajili ya hii picha hapa. Okay, so utafanya settings zote, kisha click hapa show code. Tutaweka show these Jazzmin user interface tweaks. Just copy it. Okay, copy, then come to settings, then una navigate mwisho huku, unakuja kuzipaste hapa. Niki save changes. Now nikija ku refresh my page, hizi settings zilizofanya hapa zitabakia, zitakuwa permanent saved. Now unaona zimekuwa permanent saved. Okay, so for me tutatumia hii hapa, nilishafanya settings baada to download source code. So after downloading source code, to navigate to projects, settings. Okay, so mimi nitacopy za kwangu, nilishafanya settings hizi hapa. Ya kwanza ni Jazzmin settings, so nitacopy. Okay, ya pili ni Jazzmin user interface tweaks, nitacopy zote tu hizo, kisha nakuja hapa. Now nita-replace hii Jazzmin user interface tweaks, nita-replace na hii hapa Jazzmin settings, kwa sababu tayari mimi nilishafanya settings, na settings ina take time sana kwa ajili ya design. Then to save changes. After then, when we come to refresh and output, now you can see now ina look material design. Hapa unaweza click add user in groups and so on. Now you can see this material design. Okay, now kwenye next episode tutakuja kucheck how to create models and perform model migration kwenye next episode.